get into the video in just a moment, but first, a 30-second announcement. What if the secret to living your best life is realizing that you're not fighting the world, you're fighting yourself? We're inviting you to get deep with our free 7-day self-love challenge, Compliments of Zen Ed Academy. Click the link to find out more and get started today. And now, on to the video. Writing your life story. Let's talk about your story, the story of your life. Now, we all have a story to tell, whether we publish it or keep it for ourselves and those close to us. Everyone at one time has wanted to express their story. Writing about your life can be an emotionally satisfying way to gain perspective on your experiences while sharing your unique voice. And you don't have to be the best writer on the planet to do it. We've all experienced feelings and events in our lives that we are longing to write down. Writing it out can be a healthy release for frustration, anxiety, and old stuck energy. And this writing can be just for you. No one else has to read it. You might even try writing your story without reading it right away. But do try to be as detailed as you can and as truthful as you can. When you try to bring to life the sensations of your memories, it can begin to bring to the surface what needs to come up for you. And as you write, you may begin to make sense of the flow of your life in a new way. Everyone wants to be heard, and this is why reading your story to others can also help you to speak and be heard and understood. Your story can include as much or as little of your life as whatever feels right for you. But along the way, you may find yourself exploring your roots, your identity, and your future through the telling of your own story. Most of all, don't worry about what others are going to think of your personal journey, your style of writing, or your words. And here is a bonus pro tip. The physical act of writing, with pen and paper, connects your conscious and subconscious minds and can help you to process things on a deeper level. As you write, remember to have compassion for yourself, especially when writing about traumatic events. You may add to your story each year as you move through your life. Who knows? Your writing may help family members to know you better or to even understand themselves more by reading about your experiences. More importantly, you are expressing yourself in a more committed and permanent way, giving a gift to yourself and letting your voice be heard through all of the chapters of your incredible journey through life. Just a reminder to take a moment and smash on that subscribe button, and don't forget to sign up for our free 7-day self-love challenge, Compliments of Zen Ed Academy, where it has never been easier than right now to get comprehensive PhD-backed education to improve your life and level up your skills. Emotional processing, stronger intuition, self-trust, mediumship, tarot, self-growth, all of that just for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.